Second module, ultrasonic machining. Introduction, equipment and material process, effect of process parameters, effect of amplitude and frequency, effect of abrasive grain diameter, effect of slurry, tool and work material, process characteristics, material removal rate, tool wear, accuracy, surface finish, applications, advantages and limitations of ultrasonic machining. Introduction. Ultrasonic machining, sometimes called ultrasonic impact grinding, employs ultrasonically vibrating tool to impel the abrasives in a slurry at high velocity against workpiece. The tool is fed into the part as it vibrates along an axis parallel to the tool feed at an amplitude on the order of several thousandths of an inch and a frequency of 20 kHz. As the tool is fed into the workpiece, the tool is machined into the workpiece. The cutting action is performed by the abrasives in the slurry, which is continuously flooded under the tool. The slurry is loaded up to 60% by weight with abrasive particles. Lighter abrasive loadings are used to facilitate the flow of slurry for deep drilling up to 5 mm deep. Boron carbide, aluminum oxide and silicon carbide are the most commonly used abrasives. Working principle. The process is performed by a cutting tool which oscillates at high frequency, typically 20 to 40 kHz in abrasive slurry. The shape of the tool corresponds to the shape to be produced in the workpiece. The high-speed reciprocations of the tool drive the abrasive grains across a small gap against the workpiece, 0.02 to 0.1 mm. The tool is gradually fed with a uniform force. The impact of the abrasive is the energy principally responsible for material removal in the form of small wear particles that are carried away by the abrasive slurry. The abrasive particles, as they indent the work material, would remove the same, particularly if the work material is brittle due to crack initiation, propagation and brittle fracture of the material. Hence, ultrasonic machining is mainly used for machining brittle materials. The tool material, being tough and ductile, wears out at a much slower rate. This is a diagram indicating material removal in ultrasonic machining. Slurry of abrasive and water, horn, force, vibration frequency of around 1925 kHz, amplitude 10 to 50 micron meter, tool and work material.